She needs a wetsuit deal, by K.E. Baxter, Triathlon Wetsuit TreviWDOT.org. My daughter has been training hard for a triathlon and needs a promo triathlon wetsuit. Money is pretty tight right now. I have been able to save some money for her to use, but it is not quite enough. She has been trying to look on the internet for a promotional code or coupon she can use to get the price down some. I hope she finds something soon. She needs to order within the next few days to make sure that it will arrive in time. I feel kind of bad that I do not have the money to just get it for her now. My daughter will let me know tomorrow if she was able to find the promo triathlon wetsuit. If she tells me that she was not able to find one, I don't know what she is going to do. I would hate for her to have to pull out of the triathlon because of this issue. She is such a sweet girl and has been working very hard to train for this event. I am very proud of her. I think she is the perfect role model for younger kids and for her peers as well. When the gear you wear in a tri matters to you,